Hello everybody, Albani, this is Konstantinos here, and to this short video I'm gonna show you how you can set the home page of your WordPress website. Um, it's very important that you have to create first your page. Let's say you have a page here and you have set it you want to set it as the home page, or you want to change the home page to another one. So what you're gonna have to do, it's to go to appearance, customize. You're about to customize your theme, and here you're gonna find on the left bar the home page settings. Here you just have to select the one that you want to be the main page, okay? And you're gonna see that now it's gonna change on the right side. You're gonna see the one that it's gonna be the main page, and you can select anything else you want. But that's how easy it is to change the main page. You just hit the button publish, and you're done here. You can just watch the preview of your site, and you're gonna see that the main page is changed. Thank you very much. Wish you the best, and I'll see you to the next video. Ciao.